गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्रीन स्टार्टअपांक उर्बा दिवपा खातीर व्हडलें पावल उबारला. GCCIन आयडा म्हळ्यार इंडियन इकॉनॉमिक डेव्हलपमेंट असोसिएशना बरोबर एमओयू सायन केला. ही संस्था स्टार्टअप करपी वेवसायिकांक आर्थीक मदत करता तशेंच मार्गदर्शनय करता.
GCCIचो चेअरमॅन राहुल डिसोजा, GCCIची महिला गटांची अध्यक्ष पल्लवी साळगांवकर आणि GCCIच्या स्टार्टअप आणि IT समितीचो अध्यक्ष मिलिंद प्रभून आयडा वांगडा हो MOU सायन केला. GCCIच्या तीनय वांगड्यांनी हाची माहिती दिली. आयकात.
Today, the Chamber has signed an MOU along with IDA. IDA is an organization that handholds the new entrepreneurs, that is the startups, not only to guide them but also to provide help in terms of finance, markets, mentoring in case they want any technical advice or any professional assistance. We see that a lot of these young entrepreneurs lose out when they lack this type of support. So the Chamber thought that we would start this initiative so that we reduce the mortality rate of the entrepreneurial ideas and lead them to the road of success. Young ideas, if they do not have all the requirements once they are on board, tend to wither, and this we thought we need to step in and prevent.
This is an initiative. We have signed a MOU with IDA, that is India Economic Development Corporation Association, and this we are doing in association with GCCI Women's Wing and GCCI IT Committee. So basically this is an incubation center what we are setting up in Goa for entrepreneurs, both male and female entrepreneurs, where we'll be helping them from ideating their new business ideas to making business plans and seeking fundings, plus networking with like-minded startups across Goa and across the country. So this is like for encouraging entrepreneurship in Goa. So this is the initiative we have taken.
We have initiated this initiative with IDA, which to provide an incubation support to all the startups in Goa. So we have been into the startup business. All the startup entrepreneurs have been there in Goa, but we do not see a reference point. We do not see a support which can help them ideate their ideas, their businesses, help them with business planning, may it be a pitch deck, may it be a business plan that is to be made, financial sheets that are to be made, and presenting it to the investors, giving them access to investors. So this initiative plans to give an entire access and awareness to the startups in Goa, and hopefully looking for some of the best success stories coming out of this through this initiative.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी.